Triangles, exterior angle property. Recap. When the sides of a triangle are extended, other angles are formed. The angles inside the triangle are the interior angles. The angles that form linear pairs with the interior angles are the exterior angles. Let's find the measure of an exterior angle. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. Angle ACB and angle ACD are supplementary. So, angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. 45 degrees plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees minus 45 degrees is equal to 135 degrees. The measure of an exterior angle is 135 degrees. What are the opposite interior angles of angle ACD? Angle ABC and angle BAC. Add them up. Angle ABC plus angle BAC is equal to 90 degrees plus 45 degrees is equal to 135 degrees. What do you see? Measure of the exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. This is an important property that you need to remember. What is the measure of angle ONL? Angle ONL is an exterior angle. Angle ONL and angle LNM are supplementary. It means angle ONL plus angle LNM is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ONL plus 87 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Angle ONL is equal to 180 degrees minus 87 degrees is equal to 93 degrees. What are the opposite interior angles of angle ONL? Angle NLM and angle LMN. Add their measures. Angle NLM plus angle LMN is equal to 79 degrees plus 14 degrees is equal to 93 degrees. Measure of the exterior angle is equal to sum of the opposite interior angles. This is an important property that you need to remember. Find the measure of exterior angle CBE. First locate angle CBE. Angle ABC and angle CBE are supplementary. Angle ABC plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degrees. 36 degrees plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degrees. Angle CBE is equal to 180 degrees minus 36 degrees is equal to 144 degrees. Let's check that property. Exterior angle, opposite interior angles. 47 degrees plus 97 degrees is equal to 144 degrees. Correct. Recap. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal in measure to the sum of the measures of its two opposite interior angles. Measure of angle 4 is equal to measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2. Did you understand the exterior angle property of a triangle? Yes.